कृष्णा माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा माता जी।
हरे कृष्णा। Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Hare Krishna, Hari Bol, everyone, welcome. Welcome aboard. Welcome to day 4 of Karuna Children's Camp, organized by ISKCON Cultural Center, Bangalore. Thank you all for your enthusiastic participation so far. We listened to the recordings of your shlokas and bhajans and saw pictures of the cooking you did last week. It was wonderful. Today is the grand finale for the month of June. So we have some exciting activities for all of you. So please stay tuned. Let us now begin with the chanting of the Pranam mantras by Her Grace Malini Mataji and His Grace Rangaraj Krishna Prabhu. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Krishna Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Bhagavani Prajabhide Visheshna Shunyavani Ashchatyagi Sattvavi
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Mataji and Prabhuji. Let us now begin with the shloka recap session for today. Over to Prema Vinodini Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, children. How are you all doing? Are you enjoying your holidays? Okay. So, I think you have bahated all the shlokas, the 3 shlokas which we taught you over the past 3 weeks. So we'll do a quick recap of those now. The first one is the Ramayana shloka. You can zoom it on your screen if you want. So I'll be chanting the whole first para and then you can repeat after me. Okay. So the first one, the Ramayana. Adau Ramatapovanaadigamanam Hatva Mrugam Kanchanam. Please repeat. Vaidehi Haranam Jatayu Maranam Sugriva Sambhashanam. Vali Nigrahanam Samudra Taranam Lankapuri Dahanam. Paschadravana Kumbhakarna Hananam Etadhi Ramayanam. So you can join with me while we recite this shloka now. Please chant together as you already know it by heart now. Okay? So please chant. Adau Ramatapovanaadi Gamanam Hatva Mrugam Kanchanam Vaidehi Haranam Jatayu Maranam Sugriva Sambhashanam Vali Nigrahanam Samudra Taranam Lankapuri Dahanam Paschad Ravana Kumbhakarna Hananam Etadhi Ramayanam. Okay, so now we'll go to the second one, the Mahabharata shloka. So we'll repeat each stanza again. Adau Pandavadharta Rashtra Jananam Laksha Grihe Dahanam Dyute Shri Haranam Vane Viharanam Matsyalaye Vardhanam Leela Gograhanam Rane Vitaranam Sandhikriya Jrumbhanam Paschat Bhishma Drona Suyodhanadi Mathanam Etan Mahabharatam. Okay, so now we will chant this shloka together. Okay. Adau Pandavadhartarashtra Jananam Laksha Grihe Dahanam Dyute Shri Haranam Vane Viharanam Matsyalaye Vardhanam Leela Gograhanam Rane Vitaranam Sandhikriya Jrumbhanam Paschat Bhishma Drona Suyodhanadi Mathanam Etan Mahabharatam. Okay, so we'll go to the next shloka. So please take care with the meters. So when you chant the shloka, if you chant in this way only, it will be very nice. So you can practice in this way. Okay. So the next one, the Bhagavatam. Please repeat after me. Adau Devaki Devi Garbha Jananam Gopi Grihe Vardhanam Maya Putana Jivitapaharanam Govardhanodharanam Kamsachedana Kauravadhananam Kunti Sutapalanam Etad Bhagavatam Purana Kathitam Shri Krishna Leelamrutam. So we'll chant together the Bhagavatam shloka. Adau Devaki Devi Devagarbha Jananam Gopi Grihe Vardhanam Maya Putana Jivitapaharanam Govardhanodharanam Kamsachedana Kauravadi Hananam Kunti Sutapalanam एतद् भागवतं पुराण कथितं श्री कृष्ण लीलामृतम्. Okay, so happy whenever you meet your grandparents or any relatives, you can chant this shloka and tell the significance of this shloka, where it comprises the whole story of the Ramayana, Mahabharata, and the glories of Sri Krishna's pastimes. Okay, thank you very much. Hare Krishna. So now we will move on to the next session. Hare Krishna by Ramani Radhika Mataji.
Hare Krishna, dear children. Today we are going to hear about Jatayu from the pastimes of Lord Ramachandra. How many of you know Jatayu? Raise your hand. Anyway, okay, we'll start. Jatayu was a great devotee of Lord Ramachandra. He was in the form of a bird. He had an elder brother by the name of Sampati, and their father was Aruna. Aruna and Garuda were brothers. I think 2 weeks ago you learned from Leela Priya Mataji about Garuda. So Garuda and Aruna were brothers and their mother was Vanita. So Garuda was a carrier of Lord Vishnu. So that makes Garuda the uncle of Jatayu and Sampati. Now going into the story, during the exile of Lord Rama, when they were at Panchavati on the banks of the river Godavari, Jatayu meets Lord Rama. And by this time, he is old and he is retired from being a king. He was the king of the birds. So Lord Rama tells Jatayu, you stay in this forest only. So one day what happens? Ravana, the king of Lanka, hears from his sister Supanaka about the beauty of Mother Sita, and he hatches a plan to cunningly kidnap Mother Sita. So after Rama and Lakshmana leave home, you know the story, after Rama and Lakshmana leave home, the wicked Ravana comes to kidnap Mother Sita. So Ravana takes away Mother Sita, and while he is flying with her in his golden chariot, Mother Sita calls out to the trees, to the birds, to the animals for help. And suddenly she sees Jatayu perched on top of a tree. Upon seeing him, she calls out, Jatayu, Jatayu, help me, save me, Jatayu, from this wicked demon. So hearing Mother Sita's cries for help and seeing Ravana take away Mother Sita, Jatayu shouts out to Ravana, Ravana, how dare you kidnap Mother Sita? You have no right to take Mother Sita. She belongs to Lord Rama. Leave her, or this will be the cause of your death. Saying so, Jatayu flew at Ravana and puts up a big fight. However, Jatayu is old and Ravana is young and armed. So you can see in this picture, Ravana has a sword in his hand. So after a big fight, fighting for a long time, Ravana cuts off one of the wings of Jatayu. And Jatayu falls to the ground bleeding and calling out, Rama, Rama. So Lord Rama and Lakshmana come in search of Mother Sita in the forest there. And they come upon Jatayu lying in a pool of blood. So the Lord, seeing Jatayu there, he understands that Jatayu has been hurt, wounded very badly. So he puts aside his bow and arrow and he picks up Jatayu into his lap. And Jatayu is chanting Rama, Rama. When he realizes that Rama has come, Jatayu tells, Mother Sita has been taken away by Ravan. I tried, my dear Rama, to save Mother Sita. I failed. I feel very bad that I have failed to save Mother Sita. So the Lord Rama tells Jatayu, you have actually won. You are victorious because you tried. You tried your best and you have sacrificed your life. Today I shall perform your last rites. So calling out, Ram, Ram, Jatayu breathed his last. And Lord Ramachandra tells Lakshman, today a great service, a great sacrifice has been rendered by my dear most devotee Jatayu. It's very painful to see this poor Jatayu like this. So Bhakta Jatayu ki jai. So now I'll tell you about the two brothers, Jatayu and Sampati. So one day, Jatayu and Sampati, they take a challenge as to who will fly closer to the sun. So the excited Jatayu, young excited Jatayu, he flies very close to the sun, soaring high towards the sun. And immediately, because he's nearing the sun, his elder brother Sampati comes to help him. And Sampati's wings get burnt and he immediately falls down to the ground. And that was the last that the two brothers saw of each other. So when Sampati falls down, he falls near the ashram of a sage named Nishkara. So sage Nishkara takes wounded Sampati and he cares for him and he blesses him. And the sage tells Sampati, you stay here. One day, when the Vanaras come here in search of Mother Sita as to which way Ravan flew with Mother Sita, you can tell them where Ravan took Mother Sita. So, Sampati is waiting. And one day, he sees a big army of monkeys. And seeing the big army of the monkeys, he says aloud, today I shall have a feast. Then one of the Varnar soldiers, Jambavan, you can see Jambavan sitting here, he's like a bear. He's the black color bear. You can see? Yes. So Jambavan says, just look at this old eagle. He wants to make a meal of us and see the mighty Jatayu who sacrificed his life for Mother Sita. Immediately, Sampati, after hearing his brother's name, Jatayu, he says, Jatayu, where is Jatayu? Where is my dear brother Jatayu? Then Hanuman and the other monkeys relate the story as to how Jatayu lost his life while trying to save Mother Sita. The tearful Sampati is weeping because of his dear brother Jatayu. And then he points out in the direction of Lanka as to which side Ravana flew away with Mother Sita. So immediately, as the sage had told him, when you tell them, when you show them which side Ravan flew with Mother Sita, you will get back your wings. So immediately, the wings of Sampati grow back. So did you like the story, children? Now we'll see what is the moral of the story. So even though Jatayu was old, he was so eager and he bravely and selflessly fought with Ravan. It seemed he had failed, but he gave information that Ravana took away Sita. And then Sampati also tells that he points in the direction which way Ravan flew and he points to Lanka. So both this information from Ravan and from Jatayu and Sampati helps Rama and the Vanaras to get Mother Sita back. So in the end, it was a victorious end. So Bhakta Jatayu ki jai. Hare Krishna, children, you like the story? So we'll go into our little question and answers now. Okay? So for the first two questions, I have to see you raising your hands. So how many of you would have liked to help Lord Rama to find Mother Sita? Very nice. Oh, so many of you. Very nice, very nice. So Varshana, Hansika, Akshobhya. Very nice, very nice. So next question, moving to the next question. How many of you would have liked to be in the army of the Vanaras, all the monkeys, and Jambavan the bear? Will be scared. Still, how many of you will like to participate to help Lord Rama? Oh, very nice. Yes, Bhakti Shri, very nice. Who else? I can see. Who else is showing their hands, raising their hands? Very nice. Wow, wow. Okay, we'll move to the next question. So for now, these questions, you have to write your answers in the chat box. Okay? Okay. So, which was the forest Lord Rama was in? And what was the name of the river that flowed there? Just two words. What was the name of the forest and the river that flowed there? So type your answers in the chat box, children. Yes, Vedika, good. One more. Two names should come. Yes, very good. Akash Raj. Yes, yes. No, we were in the Panchavati forest. Yes, very good. Vedant, Tanav, Vaibhavi. Yes, Vedika, Nikunj. Very good. Okay, we'll go to the next question. Yes. So the next, who's this? Ravan. Ravan was the king of? Yes, very good. Hansika, Rukmini, Radhika, very good. Devamrit, very good, very good. Riyansh, Surabhi, very good, children. We go to the next question. Okay. What was the name of Jatayu's brother? Yes, yes, Varshana, Bhavya, Gauransh, Chinmay, Akshobhya, Riyansh, very good. Big clap for you. So next, what was the name of Lord Vishnu's carrier or his Vahana? And how was he related to Jatayu? Two answers. Ansika, very good. Tanav. Yes, yes. Varshana, Surabhi. Very good. Akshobhya. Big clap for you all. Thank you. Next question. So Lord Rama, being pleased with Jatayu, what did he do? You can see from the picture. What did he do? Yes, yes. Very good. Bhavya, Advait, Ansika, Akshobhya, Vedant. Very good. Thank you, children. Next question. This is like a fill in the blank, same like what you did. Jatayu was in the form of a dash. And he dashed his life for Mother Sita. So two words again here. He was in the form of a, yes, very good. Tana, Varshana, Gauransh, Akshobhya. One more. Yes, Rukmani, very good. Devamrit, Tanav. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol. Very good, children. So we'll go to the last question. So you're seeing here a picture of all the children. So I would like to ask you children, what kind of services you little children can do? Type in the chat. Let me see what you can do to help your parents. Besides these pictures, you can see somebody chanting, a little girl singing, a little boy playing the mridangam, one reading the Bhagavad Gita. So what you little children can do? Yes, yes, very good, Ansika. Yes, Riyansh. Besides chanting, what else you can do? In this lockdown, you can help your parents. Oh, wow, Bhavya, very good. Evamrit. Yes. Yes, singing, chanting, helping your parents, putting away your clothes, doing some housework, making garlands for the Lord. Wow, very nice. Learning slokas. Yes, very good, children. Very good. Thank you. So next we are going to learn a little song. I will sing it first and then you children can join me. All of you can see the screen. So I will sing first, children, then twice more. Then I think our time will be up. So we'll sing again twice. Okay. Krishna loves the little children, all the children of the world. Red and yellow, black and white, all are precious in his sight. Krishna loves the little children of the world. How many of you would like to sing with me? Another 2 times. Very easy, no? You can see the screen. Okay, once again. Mataji, can we unmute? Unmute somebody or okay. Okay. I can't unmute. Okay, we'll sing. We'll sing again. Krishna loves the little children, all the children of the world. Red and yellow, black and white, all are precious in his sight. Krishna loves the little children of the world. Again, you clap your hands and sing, okay? Krishna loves the little children, all the children of the world. Red and all are precious in His sight. Krishna loves the children of the world. Hare Krishna. You like the song? I'll send in the chat. You can learn the song. It's just 5 lines, 6 lines. So very easy. You children can learn. So 5 minutes more. You sing again. I'll only hear you all singing. Okay, once more we'll sing, children. Okay. He raised his hand to chant. Krishna loves the little children, all the children of the world. Red and yellow, black and white, all are precious in His sight. Krishna loves the little children of the world. Krishna loves the little children, all the children of the world. Red and yellow, all are precious in His sight. Krishna loves the children in the world of the world. Haribol. So that was nice.
Haribol!
Haribol. You all like the story?
Haribol!
You like the story? Put up raise your hands. Thumbs up if you like the story. Yes, Bhakti Shri. Children, did you like the story? Yes, Nikunj, Riyanj. You've heard this story before, no? All of you know about Jatayu. No? Yes. Thank you, children. So moving on to your next schedule in this program. Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Radhika Mataji, that was amazing. Thank you so much. That was a feast for our ears and eyes as well. Thank you so very much. So children, our next activity for today is art. We have an art session by Chaitanya Deepti Mataji from Hyderabad. So let us welcome her, and Chaitanya Deepti Mataji, over to you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, children. I hope you have all the supplies that were sent to you. I'll show them again to you. So paper, some water, a paint of like two or three cups, and a and a brush, paint brush, and some earbuds. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Can someone tell me whether you can see my paper or not? Can you raise your hand and tell me? Can you see my paper? No, Mataji? Okay. Hold on. Yeah. Now can you see it? Yes? Can you see it now? Mataji, anybody? Can someone tell me whether they can see my camera? Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Hare
Okay.
Krishna. You
Hare
can go
Krishna.
on. Yes, we can see it very
Oh,
clear.
Hare Krishna. Okay. So first, I'll show you what we are going to paint today. We are going to paint a nice, beautiful tree and some green grass and a swing. Okay. So I'll show you how to make a greeting card out of a A4 paper. Okay, with the paint. So you have a paper, fold it into half like this. Yeah, equal halves. See, fold it like this and make it a greeting card. Yes, can you all show me? Take the paper, fold it into half. Yes, yes, very good. Very good. Now we'll take some paint. Okay. Take out whatever light color you have. If you have blue, take out blue. If you have pink, I have pink, so I'm taking pink. But you can take whatever lighter color you have. Okay. Ready? Now take some water and put few drops of water in the paint, just to make it loose. If it's already loose and flowing, then it's fine. Otherwise, just add few drops of water and mix it. Mix it properly so that there is no water, only color. See this? Can you see this? So this is how you're going to mix it.
Yeah, children, please, those who have not on your video, please keep it on so that Mataji can see you.
Yes. So once you're done, can you please raise your hand once you're done mixing the color? Yes, very good. Okay, now take a earbud. Yes, dip it in the paint like this and lightly, very lightly tap it on the paper. Yeah, like this. See the little dots? So we are going to make these dots in the form of a tree. Okay. If they splatter or there is a little blob of paint, don't worry, we can cover it up. It will be a big bunch of leaves if that happens. Otherwise, nice little dots. Just make it half a circle. So it will be the top of the tree. If you want to make small leaves, you see, bend it like this, and then from the tip of the earbud, just press it lightly. So see, nice little small leaves are coming. If you want bigger leaves, press the earbud straight like this. Put some random leaves on top of the tree so that they look like flying, like they're flying with the wind, like that. So there are loose leaves here and there. Nice leaves. Okay.
Mataji, can you zoom a little?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Is it fine? Please raise your hands if you're done with this. I'll show you how to make the trunk and the branches. Very good, Sri Radha. Very good, Bhakti Shri. Can you show it to me, the paper? Beautiful. Beautiful. Very nice. So many colorful trees. Okay, let's take a brush now, paintbrush. If you have green or some other darker color or brown, take some little brown. Now let's draw the trunk of the tree. Okay, so you start from the ground, make a trunk. Like this. Now let's paint some branches. So when you are painting branches, see, you have to very lightly apply the pressure. You should not push the brush down. Very lightly you create the branches like this. See, if you do it lightly, small thin lines will come. If you press the brush on the paper, thick lines will come. So very lightly use the pressure really lightly and then draw the branches. Now, let me know when you're done. Raise your hands. Very good. Can you show me, Sri Radha? Wow, that's beautiful. Very good. Now, take the earbud again. Okay. Now take some paint and then just gently press on the branches so that they look like they're coming out of the leaves. Add some more leaves in the middle. So let's make some loose leaves to show that the leaves are falling down like it's in autumn. In random places, not in a straight line, in random places like this. Little dots with very little pressure. Not much pressure, little pressure. Now let's make some grass here because it's all white, right? So let's make some grass here. Take some green. Take the earbud and mix some water in the green to make it flow. Take the earbud, dip it in green and make the grass. You can even use the side of the side of the earbud, which we made leaves with, that will give this green and pink kind of shade on the grass, which will look beautiful. A little bit of the color of the leaves on the ground so that we can show that they're fallen on the ground. Yeah, see, we made a nice, beautiful little tree. Are you done? Can you show me? Can you show me how it came out? Beautiful, Hansika. Dana Vaibhavi, that's very new, very beautiful. Vaidehi, beautiful. Diyansh, very nice. So now we can add a tree like this. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, if you have completed this, children, you can draw the swing like Jhula. Mataji showed just now.
Okay. Sorry, Mataji, I didn't get you.
The Jhula swing you just showed now.
Yes.
So they can draw that swing. I just.
Yes. Saw this thing. One minute. Very good. So I'll show you how to draw the swing. Just make two lines. If you can't make it straight, you can take a scale and make it. And from the branch, you can make two lines like this. And then a bench. See? You can write some personal message in here and your greeting card is ready. Can you show your paintings again once more? Very nice, Vaidehi. Very nice, Hansika. Very beautiful colors, Bhavya. Beautiful. Yaksha, pretty, very pretty. Gopal, it's very nice, very beautiful. Very nice, all of you, very nice. So beautiful, colorful trees we have made today. So I hope you liked this session. Let's move, Mataji, next session. Let's move on to next session.
Yeah, maybe some more children can show their paintings. Bhakti Shri.
Sure. Bhakti Shri.
Did you do it? Did you do it, Bhakti?
Where is Bhakti
Okay.
Shri? I will find her.
Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, Riyansh. Beautiful.
Very nice, Riyansh. Very beautiful. Really pretty. Very pretty, Revati.
Could everyone follow? Do you have any doubts? You can ask Mataji if you are not able to follow. Okay, the tissue paper is used to just blot the extra paint, is it?
Yes, yes. If there is any extra paint or something gets, on your hands, paint get on your hands, then you can use the tissue paper.
Okay, wonderful. Children, you can paste a picture of little Krishna or Radha Krishna on the Jula, or you can throw your imaginations and complete your paintings and post it in the group. So next we will move on to the game section by Shama Manjari Mataji. Haribol, thank you very much, Chaitanya Deepti Mataji. Thanks a lot.
Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Chaitanya Deepti Mataji. That was a very nice, soothing art session, right? We all enjoyed it. And Mataji took this session all the way from Hyderabad. Thank you very much. So children, now it is games time. Are you all ready for games? Who all are ready for games? Yes, I can see your hands up, your thumbs up. Very good. Okay, let us begin with our games for today. Game number 1. Jagannath says. Okay, now for this game, you have to be very, very alert. Okay, just like that boy over there. That boy is hearing so carefully, right? So, open your ears and listen very carefully. You need to do the actions Okay, you need to do the actions only when I say Jagannath says. When I don't say Jagannath says, do not do that action. Okay? Yeah, is that clear? That's clear? Okay. Like if I say Jagannath says turn around, you turn around. And if Jagannath doesn't say anything, if I say stop, don't stop until Jagannath says it. Okay? So listen carefully. Thank you, everyone. I can see all your videos. All of you are so active and happy. Very good. Okay, let's begin. Okay, round number 1. Okay, Jagannath says, stand up. Jagannath says, sit down. Jagannath says, pull your ears. Jagannath says, pat your head. Pat your head. Jagannath says, cover your eyes. Turn around. Turn around, everyone. Turn around. Okay. Some of you turn around, but Jagannath didn't tell us to do that. Ooh. Very good to those who were listening carefully and who were waiting to hear the word Jagannath. Very good. Okay. Ready for the next round of the same game? Ready? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Come on, thumbs up. Very good. Okay. Jagannath says, clap your hands. Very good. Jagannath says, blink your eyes very fast. Jagannath says, blink your eyes very fast. Okay. Jagannath says, pull your cheeks. Roll your hands. Roll your hands. Roll your hands. No. Jagannath didn't tell us to do that. Jagannath didn't tell us to do that. Okay, good. And the last round of this game. Ready? Okay, listen carefully. Jagannath says, cook prasad. Come on, cook everybody. Cook nicely. Jagannath says, cook prasad. Okay, cook bhoga actually. Okay. Jagannath says, read a book. Jagannath says, read a book. Okay. Jagannath says, do aarti. Jagannath says, do aarti. Come on, everybody, do aarti. Very good. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. No. Very good. All of you are so alert. Jagannath didn't tell us to go to sleep, right? Very good, children. Hope you enjoyed that round of Jagannath says. Let's move on to game number 2. The game number 2 is I spy with my little eye. Okay, let me see your videos on again. I spy with my little eye. Okay, let me see, what can I spy? You have to type in the chat box and give me the answers. Okay? Okay, let me see. I spy someone with a green t-shirt with white stripes. I spy someone with a green t-shirt and white stripes. Come on. Who is that? Who is that? Type in the answers. I'm waiting. Type in your chat window. Videos. You have to look at everyone's videos. Look at who is wearing green t-shirt with white stripes. Advait, you got the answer. Chinmay, you got the answer. Bhavya, Gauransh, Surabhi, Nadia Lakshmi. Very good. Yes, it's Gopal. Okay. I spy someone wearing a hat. Children, I spy someone wearing a hat out here. Who is that? Look at the videos. I spy someone wearing a hat. Who is it? Type in. Very good. Rukmini and Radha, you got the answer first. Nikun Sharma, very good. Varshana, very good. Okay. Akshobhya, very good. Bhakti Priya, very good. Yes, it is Neel Madhav. Very, very good. Okay. Last round of I Spy. Okay. Last round of I Spy. I spy someone with a beautiful altar at the back. At the back of them, there is a beautiful temple altar. Who is that? Who is that? Who has a beautiful altar? A temple altar behind them. Type in the answers. Yes, Varshana, very good. Rukmini and Radha, very good. Akshaj Bhatnagar, Advait, very good. Yes, it is Bhakti Priya. Bhakti Priya, yes. And it is also her birthday today. Happy birthday from KCC team to Bhakti Priya. Hare Krishna. Okay, let us go on to the next game, children. Okay, let us go on to the game number 3. Are you all ready? Are you all ready for game number 3? Okay, this game, you will need to have a magnifying glass and look very, very zoomed in into the picture. Okay, here we have with us Narottam. Okay, and he has selected some pictures and he has zoomed into them and he wants us to search for something. Are you all ready? Ready? Okay. I'm going to ask him to go up, down, left, or right. And you all need to keep watching carefully. Okay? Let us start. Okay. Narottam, so this you told me is a picture of Srimati Radharani. Yes. And there is a picture, there is a bird in this picture. There's a bird in this picture, but we can't see it. This boy has zoomed in fully. He has zoomed into the picture. So I'm going to ask him to go up, down, left and right. And all of you be very alert. When you see a bird, you can type in the name of that bird in the chat box. Okay? Okay, Narottam. Up, up, up. Go up, move up. Come on. Move up, 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 up. No, we can't see any bird yet. No, up, 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 up. Right, right, please. Right, right. Okay. No bird yet. Left, left. Go left, all the way left. Okay, stop. Down, down. Come down. Come down. Down. Oh my God, we don't see a bird yet. Come down. Come down. Okay, go right. Right. Oh, I see something. Stop, stop, stop. Go down. Go down. Did anyone see? Okay. If you can see any bird over here, please let us know. Yes, Nadia Lakshmi. Yes, Bhavya. Yes. Yes, very good. Yes, it's a parrot. Thank you. Let's see the picture once before we go into the next picture that he has zoomed into. Okay. There you go. Hold on. Give me a minute. There. Can you see that? Can you see the parrot next to Srimati Radharani? It's a parrot. Okay. The same way he has kept another picture ready. Now that picture is a picture of Ram, Lakshman and Sita. And around them, there is a pair of birds. Okay? There is a pair of birds.
Wow.
You have to look into very, very carefully. Look very carefully and try to tell us when you see the two birds. Okay, are you ready? Thumbs up. Okay, let's start. Okay, up, 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 Narottam. Up, go up, 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 up. Okay, up, 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 up. Up, up, up. Stop, stop. Right, right, right. Right, right, right. Oh my God, don't see any birds yet. Right, 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 right. Up, 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 please. Up, please. Up, up, up. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, can't see anything yet. Left, left. Please go left, left. Oh, no, I see a deer. Stop, stop, stop. Right, right again. Go right, 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 right. No, remember we are looking for birds, okay? We're looking for birds. Right, right, up, up, please. Okay, I see something. Go left, 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 Narottam, left, left. Okay, did anybody see the bird? Rukmini and Radha, very good. Surabhi, Vedika, Advait, Riyansh, very good. Devamrit, very good. Swans, yes, there's these two beautiful swans here. Hari bol. Okay, let's move on to our next game. We don't have much time. Let's quickly move on to our next game. Okay, did you see the picture? Hold on, we will just show you the picture. That's the picture, and he had zoomed in, and those are the two swans swimming around Ram, Lakshman, and Sita. Okay, let's move on to our next game. Are you all ready for the next game? Okay, now this one, you know what happened? I forgot that it was the time of coronavirus, and I set out for my travel, and I reached various places, different dhams and places. Now you need to see where I am and tell me what you can see at the back. Tell me where I have reached. Okay, let me begin my travel. Okay, I am going, and I'm going, and here I come again. Chai, look at this beautiful mountain behind me. Where did I reach? Where am I? Where is this? Who is this holy mountain behind me? Come on, guess, children. Yes, Akshobhya, Rukmini, Radha, very good. Shri Radhesham, Tanav, Vibhavi, very good. Nikun Sharma, yes, I reached Govardhan. Giriraj Govardhan ki jai. Okay, time to travel again. Let me go and come back for my next place. Let me visit my next place. Oh, this is so crowded. And look at that crowd and look at those three huge chariots. Where have I reached, children? Yes, Hari Bol, Jagannath Puri. All of you have given the correct answers. This is Jagannath Puri. I want to travel a little more, children. Shall I go to another place? Yeah? Shall I go to another place? Thank you. Jai Jagannath. Thank you for your darshan. I am going to another place. Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Okay, here I come. Oh my God, such a huge temple. Hari, Hari, where did I reach? This is so beautiful. Yes, it's the temple of the Vedic planetarium in Mayapur. Mayapur Dham ki jai. Okay, children. That was Guess Where I Am. Now let's move on to our next game. Okay. Now, you know what happened, children? This morning, I had a nice huge magic tray with me. Okay. I had a magic tray with me. The name of this game is What Did I Lose? Okay. And on this magic tray, I put in so many different things. I arranged so many things on my tray. And just when I was walking, you know what happened? Someone dashed me. And one of my things fell down, children. Yes. So this was the beautiful tray I arranged this morning. And you can see a Bhagavad Gita, ball, flute. Look very carefully, children, what all I had. I had some tasty prasadam samosas. And I had a mask, very important, right? I had kept everything ready. I had kartals, a garland, a ball, again a Bhagavad Gita. And there I was walking so nicely. And look what happened. Oh, Krishna. Oh no. Something fell down, children. One of the items from my tray fell down. What fell down? Oh, very good job, Vedika, Bhakti Priya, Rukmini and Radha, Akshaj Bhatnagar, Lalita Sakhi, Devamrit, Vishnu Pai. Very good. Yes, Hansika. What fell down? Let's see what fell down. Advait, very good. Very good. Yes, the garland fell down. Okay, thank you all for helping me find it again. Okay, then what I did was I arranged this another tray. Please look at it very, very carefully. Look at it carefully. I needed some tomatoes. I had a shirt for my son, a kurta. I had some gopi chandan, a book stand. I had a pencil. I had a watch, a charmer, a ruler, a bell. Isn't this a magic tray? It can fit in so many things. Look carefully. And then you know what happened? I started walking and walking and I tripped over a stone. Oh, Krishna. Again one thing fell down. Again another thing fell down. Children, can you help me? What fell down? Yes, Rukmini and Radha, Bhakti Priya, Tanav, Vibhavi, Varshana, Nikunj, Vishnu, Yaksha, Sri Radhesham, Akshaj, Lasya, Riyansh, Surabhi, Shraddha. Very good. No, it's not the book. Yes, let's see the answer. We are running out of time. Yes, it is the pencil. The pencil had fallen down. Thank you all, children. You all are so nice. You helped me find it. Very good. Okay, let's go to the last round of games for today's session. Are you all ready? Ready? Thumbs up. Okay. Guess the melody. This Prabhuji out here is playing something for us. And he wants us to find out what he is playing. And type in your answer in the chat box, okay? Type in your answers in the chat box. Are you all ready to listen? Yes, you have to listen to what this Prabhuji is playing and tell us what that tune is. Okay, tune number 1. Very good. Bhakti Priya, Devamrit, Tanav, Varshana, Nadia Lakshmi, Lalita Sakhi. Very good. Akshaj Bhatnagar, Neel Madhav. Very good. Revati, Rukmini Radha. Yes, it was Hariharaya Namah, Krishna Yadavaya Namaha. Okay, but this Prabhuji wants to make sure that you all become very good singers. Prabhuji wants to make sure that you all become good singers. So he has another tune for you. Okay, you want to listen to the next tune? Okay, let's listen to the next tune. Let's listen to the next tune. Okay, give me a moment, children. Give me just one moment, okay? Thank you all for waiting. Thank you all for waiting. We are going to play just one other tune. And once you recognize it, we are going to go to the last session for today. Okay? Give me one moment. Okay, that's the tune. Children, listen. Tanav, Vibhavi, very good Bhakti Priya, Varshana, Lalita Sakhi, Devamrit, Nadia Lakshmi, Revati, Lokya, very, very good. It was Jaya Radha Madhava, Kunja Bihari. Yes, thank you all very much. Hope you had a fun time with our games today. Okay, so now we move on to the last session for today. Since you are already in the mood for Kirtan, let us have Radha Raman Prabhu for the bhajan session for today. Hari Bol, everybody.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. I hope you can all hear me. So we're going to have this. Today is a final day, a final kirtan. We always, Hare Krishna. We always conclude our kirtans, usually our programs, with Namaste Narsimhaya. Today we're going to do Namaste Narsimhaya and have a very special kirtan from a very special family of devotees. Okay. So who knows Narsimha? Who wants to sing Narsimha with me? Okay, ready? Tanav and Vibhavi. Tanav and Vibhavi. Okay, I've unmuted you, Rukmini. Okay, I'm unmuting many people today because it's the last day. Vishnu Pai. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Laukya, Gauransh. Okay. Okay, I've unmuted many of you. Vishnu Pai, Tejas, everyone. Okay.
Amma.
Hey, no screen. Antika, Gotula, please. One second.
Video on.
Right. Okay, we should get started, huh? Okay. Ready?
Prabhuji.
Namaste. How is Okay, do that one line. Come on, Navakaran. Okay, come on.
Hari Rupa Jagadish Hari
All of you sing now.
Jai Jagadish Jai Jagadish Jai Jagadish
Okay, now keep your hands together. Keep your hands together to clap fast. Keep your hands together to clap. All of you. Ready? Keep
वीडियो
your hands together to clap. Okay? Ready? Okay, keep your hands and sing with me. Keshavadrita Hari Rupa Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare. Sing. Keshavadrita Hari Rupa Jaya Jagadish Hare Jaya Jagadish Hare.
Jai.
Good. Now we're going to have another special kirtan. Where is our
Hare Krishna. Thank you very much, Prabhuji. Thank you very much. So we'll have now ecstatic kirtan by Her Grace Malini Sundari Mataji and His Grace Rangaraj Krishna Prabhu from Bangalore.
Children,
Please feel free to dance and sing. You can clap your hands. Thank you very much. Over to you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, children. Say Hare Krishna, everyone.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Can you please mute yourselves? Now, I just want to know how many of you are happy today? Are you happy?
Yes, Mataji.
But I'm not very happy because we are going to miss this camp from next week. Okay, doesn't matter. So I want to give a big Hari Bol from all of you to all the teachers, to all the people who did this wonderful camp. Okay, so let us name them one by one. Shama Manjari Mataji, can you come on video? Shama Manjari Mataji, Hari Bol. Premya Vinodini Mataji, Hari Bol. Prema Vinodini Mataji, you're not there. Hari Bol. Aishwarya Lalita Mari Mataji, who did everything for you. Communication, planning, execution. Aishwarya, Hari Bol, please come on video. And your Kirtan Bhajan teacher, Radha Raman Prabhuji. All of you please be on video. So all of you give a thumbs up and say a big Hari Bol to all your wonderful teachers. Narottama. Narottam? Yes, Aishwarya, Hari Bol. So without these wonderful teachers, you wouldn't have had such a lovely camp. Okay? So although we're going to miss this camp, every day you will please chant the shlokas that you learned, sing all the bhajans and kirtans that you learned, and all the art and craft and the games you can share with everybody, your friends. And always remember this, Karuna
children's camp. Haribol! You can give a thumbs up in your chat box. You want to all dance now? Do you want to dance? Okay, we will do that. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay, all of you be ready to repeat. Hare Krishna,
Krishna
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare Hare,
Hare Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama
Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Baladeva Jaya Subramai. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jaya Narasimhadev, Jaya Narasimhadev, Jaya Narasimhadev, Jaya Narasimhadev. Jaya Gauranita, Jaya Gauranita, Jaya Gauranita, Jaya Gauranita. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Prabhupada. Jaya Jaya Prabhupada, 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 Prabhupada.
हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय, हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, करुणा चिल्ड्रंस कैंप की जय, हरि बोल।
Thank you, Malini Mataji and Rangraj Prabhu for that wonderful kirtan. So, Hare Krishna to all of you. So, I'm sure you had a lot of fun in today's, special session, the finale session, with the extra games and, for all that we did today. And so I would like to thank all of you for your active participation. I would like to thank all your parents as well. So with immense gratitude, the entire team of the Karuna Children's Camp would like to thank all the children and their parents for all of your active participation in the Karuna Children's Camp. So children, can you all please go quickly and ask your parents to come and be here along with you, as we would like to do a few important announcements. So I'm going to give you exactly 30 seconds. So can you please quickly go call all your parents and come, so that they are here to listen to the announcements. Have all your parents come? Are they all with you now? Okay, a big Hare Krishna to all the wonderful parents who have taken this opportunity and, given your children this amazing opportunity to be a part of the Karuna Children's Camp. So dear parents, we have a few announcements which we would like you to listen to very carefully. So firstly, all the children who have participated in the Karuna Children's Camp will be receiving a participation certificate. So we request all the parents to please fill in the form, which will be sent on the Google group. If you would like, your child to receive the participation certificate, because we will be sending it to your email ID. So we require your email ID and a few other details. Secondly, our very dear Prema Vinodini Mataji has mercifully agreed to conduct another children's camp in the month of July. So children, are you excited? Are you happy to listen to that news? And this camp will be especially for the children of age 5 to 10, and it will be conducted on Saturdays in the month of July between 4 to 5 p.m. So all those children who would like to enroll for that particular camp can kindly contact her Grace Prema Vinodini Mataji to receive all the further details about that camp. And thirdly, parents who wish to donate some Lakshmi to the temple, that we are connected with, from where we are running the Karuna Children's Camp, can do so by clicking on the link which will be given to you in the certificate form. So if you click on that, it will take you to the temple website where you can donate some Lakshmi. So these were a few announcements that we had to make. And if you have any questions regarding the camp in July, we will be sharing with you her Grace Prema Vinodini Mataji's number. You can directly contact her. I'm sorry, there is a correction here. It will be held on every Saturday between 5 to 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So with that, I think we can end for today. So if you have any queries, kindly reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help you with all your queries. So thank you so much. Hare Krishna to all of you. Thank you all very, very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So thank you, Aishwari Mai Mataji, for the announcement. So we will be continuing this camp in the month of July by the blessings of Her Grace Malini Sundari Mataji and her inspirations and wishes. It's actually moduled for the age group 5 to 10, but if anyone below the age of 5 or above the age of 10 want to attend, you can attend, but the lesson module will be for this age group. So the elders may feel it is for the little children, but you may learn some good things, like you may hear a story or you may learn some good craft item. So if you would like to join, then you are welcome. Okay, and the other details you will be receiving soon on the WhatsApp group. So thank you very much for attending all these 4 weeks. We also love to be with you all this time. Okay.
Remain within Mataji. You can
Yeah.
tell the time 4 to 5 if it is.
Yeah, 4 to 5. Yes, 4
On
p.m. to 5 p.m. on Saturdays, July. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Bhakti Priya, Vaidehi, Gaurangi, Sri Radhe Shyama, Riyansh, Vedant, Yaksha, Akshobhya, Lasya, Dhruv, Bhavya, Prahlad, Krishna Prahlad,
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, Akshaj,
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna
Akshaj, Hare Krishna, Akshaj Bhatnagar,
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna,
Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Vedanga, Indrarekha,
And can you hear
Shraddha,
me?
Kavi,
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
thank you very much.
Very nice class. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna,
Mataji.
Vaidehi, we can hear you.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, thank you all.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.